Hey! Card Fever, we're back. It's Brett. I'm sure you know that by now. Today, we have a retail blaster box, 18-19 NBA Hoops, basketball, 11 packs a box, 8 cards a pack. Should get a hit of some sort. Rookies, blaster exclusive, parallels. Yeah, I don't know. Hoops is the perennial solid product. It's the score football of basketball cards. You know, just lower tier product. Really get a lot of cards for your money. Always really like the design of NBA Hoops too. Always think they do a good job. No, very solid product. This is my third 18-19 basketball product I'm gonna open of the year. I'm excited to see what's inside. After Donruss, after this guy right here, we have a lot to live up to. What do you collect? I had a lot of fun with that break. A lot of fun. So I'm excited to see what's inside. NBA Hoops always treat them very well. So let's see what's inside. Here's the front of the pack. Obviously, Steph Curry is the cover boy this year. I don't know if I got a jersey card. This one? I might have got an autograph. Like an autograph, okay. That'd be interesting to see. Hopefully it's better than the autograph I got in this box right here. So let's start. First pack. Here's the design this year. Okay design, I guess. Wasn't really what I was expecting, but there you go. Dylan Brooks, Hassan, Tony, What Smells, Snell, Joe Ingles, Dante DiVincenzo, Face of the Future rookie insert. He was where'd he go? Gonzaga? Nova? One of those two schools, I think. Anthony Tolliver, Kevin Knox, rookie card, DeMarcus Cousins, base. 8 cards a pack. I'm expecting to get 1 or 2 rookies a pack, probably insert per pack. So you gotta figure at least 11 rookies in a box, at least 11 hits, inserts in a box, in a hit. For $20. I mean, kind of hard to beat. DeMar Carroll, Bojan, I think that's how you say his name. A Legends card. Wow. I didn't know they did those. Of a Kareem. Okay. Elio Kobo, Jeremy Lin, insert card. I hate these cards. It says a Hawks card with a Nets uniform. Whoa. Jacob Peddle, Amir Johnson. And McCall Bridges. Okay. So 2 rookies? Huh. Or Michael Bridges, I guess. Excuse me. And that's what I mean when I say bang for your buck. I mean, you just get a lot of really solid stuff every time. Ken Bazemore, Zach Randolph, Kyle Korver, the newly traded Kyle Korver, CJ Miles. Oh, someone's at the door. Paul George, blue parallel, looks like. Yep, blue parallel. Dennis Schroeder, yuck, Mello. Gordon Hayward. No reviews that pack? No reviews that pack. Yeah. Got working this pack, Jared Vanderbilt, Aaron Gordon, Damian Dobson, Charles Barkley, Sixers, Legends card. Ooh, really nice card. Here's a class 2018 insert of Colin Sexton, rookie card. That's really nice. Mike Muscala, Michael Beasley, and another Laker, Josh Hart. Okay, this pack's thick, so might be a jersey card then. Let's put it off the side. I saw Thunderback cards. I'm excited. Andre Drummond, Mike Conley, Maurice Harkless, DeAndre Jordan, blue parallel, Taurean Prince, not number, Manu, Michael Porter Jr. Okay, and there's my Thunder card. Hamidou Diallo, rookie card. I think that's how you say his name. Sorry if it's not. Deion Waiters, Rondae Hollis Jefferson, Thon Maker, John Stockton Legends card. I love these Legends cards. Just a little variation in the design. I like this design way more than this design. If this design was on this card, it'd be really cool. A lot better. This is okay. This design is very nice. It's a Rudy Gay purple parallel, looks like. And a DeAndre Melton rookie card and a Wendell Carter Jr. Nice. And a Marvin Bagley rookie card. Three rookie cards that pack. Let's see what a purple. Okay, base. Okay, so they're all kind of the same thing. The base looks like the base, blue, red, or purple, all kind of the same consistency, I guess. Oladipo, Torian Prince again, Jerome Robinson rookie card, Tyson Chandler, Andrew Wiggins lights camera action insert card. Great Kansas player, just hasn't quite got there in the NBA yet. He's good, but just hasn't quite reached that potential I wish he could have. T.J. McConnell. Oh, this guy was from Kansas. How do you say his last name? The Kansas guy. Svi Mahuk. Sorry. Tyus Jones. Marshawn Brooks. IT. Tristan Thompson. Serge. Blue Parallel. Marshawn Brooks. Robin Lopez. Jonas Jerebko. Patty Mills. The human, not the dog. Getting there. Evan Fournier. Had a great year last year, I think, right? Yeah, really solid year. Bradley Beal. Kyrie Irving. Okay, so this is, I thought these are Legends only. And it's not. This is a Kyrie Irving variation of the base. Trevor Ariza. Oh boy, yeah, that's a good rookie. Here's a kind of a usage card now. The Pulse insert card of IT during his brief tenure with oh, okay, good. Lakers uniform, Denver Nuggets logo. Great. Goat. Luka Doncic. I think Luka. Terrence Ferguson. PJ Tucker. I think that's my first Luka card of the year. Got plenty of Trey. I think that's my first Luka. Ugh. Okay. Frank the Tank. Zaza. Tobias Harris. Evan Turner. Here's a Kevin Huerter. Face of the Future rookie insert card. Another Bull, nice, of Chandler Hutchinson rookie card. And Baines Markelle Fultz. Okay, so this must be what I'm considering to be the jersey card. Gotta be it. And it looks like it is a jersey card. Sure is. So let's try to, yeah. Ooh, okay. I saw purple, so I don't know what that means. But look at this. Great insert card. Faces the Future. Wendell Carter. Rookie. Nice. D. Rose. Nice. Denzel Valentine. Okay. Chicago. Illinois repping with this pack. Sean Livingston. John Wall. Marvin Williams. Okay, it's a Raptors card. Danilo. And here we go. Okay. Of Pascal Siakam. Rookie remembrance of the Raptors from the 2016 NBA Draft, 27th overall. Really solid young Raptors player. So, this is good. It's not a rookie exclusive product. It's a young player. Solid one color swatch there. Nothing hanging over. Okay. So there you go. Pascal Siakam, or Siakam, or how do you say this guy's last name? That's his box. Really solid NBA Hoops box. Good rookies. Really good rookies. Good inserts. Really good rookie inserts. Decent hit. The design of the card is okay. Okay. So, here you go. I'm out. Rough and Card Fever. I will be back soon. My next video should be my Christmas hobby box. First hobby box on the channel. Should be a Christmas hobby box. I'm not going to give any hints, but it should be a good one. I'm very excited to film it and put it up, so I'll see you then. Thanks.